Have you ever fallen asleep while visualizing your desires, only to wake up feeling like they never came true? If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle to manifest what they want because of doubts and fears that hinder their ability to create the life they desire. But there's good news. With the power of your imagination, you can overcome these obstacles and unlock the life you truly desire. You may have heard about the law of attraction or law of assumption, which suggests that what you focus on and believe in will manifest in your life. While this is true, I believe there's a missing piece to this puzzle. It's not just about visualizing and believing, it's about feeling. The only thing you need to know is that in order to have what you want, you need to feel it inside. So let's dive deeper into how imagination and feeling can help you manifest your desires. Falling asleep while visualizing your desires is not enough to make them come true. While visualization is a powerful tool for manifestation, it's not enough to create the life you desire. It's important to take action towards your goals and believe in your ability to achieve them. Visualization can help you align your energy with your desires, but action is necessary to bring those desires to fruition. When you visualize your desires, you create a mental image of what you want. This helps to focus your thoughts and energy on what you want to create in your life. However, if you don't take any action towards those goals, nothing will change. It's like sitting in a boat, visualizing the destination, but not paddling towards it. You won't get very far. Believing in your ability to achieve your goals is also crucial. If you don't believe in yourself, you'll find it difficult to take action towards your goals. Doubts and fears can creep in and hold you back. It's important to cultivate a positive mindset and surround yourself with people who support and encourage you. Doubts and fears can hinder your ability to manifest what you want. Negative thoughts and beliefs can block your ability to create the life you desire. To overcome these obstacles, you must focus on positive thoughts and beliefs that align with your desires. It's important to identify any limiting beliefs you may have and work to shift them into positive ones. If you believe that you're not good enough to achieve your goals, you'll struggle to take action towards them. You may find yourself procrastinating or self-sabotaging. Instead, focus on positive beliefs that align with your desires. Affirmations can be a powerful tool for shifting your mindset. Repeat positive statements to yourself every day, such as "I am capable of achieving my goals" or "I am worthy of success." What you feel inside is the most important thing in life. Your thoughts and emotions shape your reality, so it's essential to focus on what you want to feel rather than what you don't want. When you focus on negative emotions, you attract more of the same into your life. However, when you focus on positive emotions, you attract more positive experiences. If you're constantly worrying about money, you're likely to attract more financial struggles into your life. Instead, focus on feeling abundant and grateful for what you do have. This will help to shift your energy and attract more abundance into your life. You can feel whatever you want no matter what the outer world shows you. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world, but you have the power to control your emotions and feelings regardless of your external circumstances. This means that you can feel happy and fulfilled even if your external circumstances aren't perfect. If you're going through a difficult time, you can choose to focus on gratitude for the positive things in your life. You can also use your imagination to create positive feelings and emotions. Imagine yourself in a happy and fulfilling situation and focus on the feelings that come with it. This can help to shift your energy and attract more positive experiences into your life. Your outer world mirrors your inner world 100%. Your reality is a reflection of your thoughts and beliefs, so it's essential to focus on positive thoughts and beliefs to create a positive reality. If you're unhappy with your external circumstances, it's important to examine your thoughts and beliefs to see if they're contributing to the situation. If you're constantly telling yourself that you're unlucky in love, you'll likely continue to attract negative relationships into your life. Instead, focus on positive thoughts and beliefs about love, such as, "I deserve a loving and supportive partner." This will help to shift your energy and attract positive relationships into your life. You don't have to react to your senses because you have imagination and can create any feeling you want to. Your senses are a way of perceiving the world around you, but they can also be a source of stress and anxiety. If you see something that reminds you of a negative experience, you may feel anxious or upset. However, you can use your imagination to create any feeling you want to, regardless of what's happening in your external reality. This means that you have the power to control your emotions and feelings, rather than letting them control you. Instead of reacting to external circumstances, you can focus on creating positive emotions and feelings within yourself. If you're feeling anxious, you can use your imagination to visualize yourself in a peaceful and calm environment. You can control what you feel yourself. Don't let your senses control it. Your emotions and feelings are within your control, and it's important to remember that you don't have to let external circumstances dictate how you feel. This means that you can choose to feel happy and fulfilled regardless of what's happening around you. If you're going through a difficult time, you can choose to focus on gratitude for the positive things in your life. You can also use your imagination to create positive feelings and emotions. Imagine yourself in a happy and fulfilling situation and focus on the feelings that come with it. This can help to shift your energy and attract more positive experiences into your life. Creation is finished, which means that everything you want already exists. The universe is abundant, and everything you desire already exists in it. This means that you don't have to struggle or work hard to create what you want. Instead, you need to align your energy with your desires to manifest them. If you want to manifest a new job, you need to focus on the feelings of having that job. Imagine yourself in that job and focus on the positive feelings that come with it. This will help to align your energy with your desires and attract the job into your life. There are infinite versions of yourself that exist within consciousness. Within the universe, there are infinite versions of yourself that exist within consciousness. This means that you have the ability to tap into different versions of yourself to manifest your desires. These different versions of yourself may have different experiences, beliefs, and desires, and you can tap into them to help you create the life you desire. For example, if you're struggling with a particular challenge, you can tap into a version of yourself that has already overcome that challenge. Imagine yourself as that version of yourself and focus on the feelings of confidence and empowerment that come with it. This can help to shift your energy and attract more positive experiences into your life. Consciousness holds all these versions in order to even be able to grow. Consciousness holds all versions of yourself to help you grow and evolve into the best version of yourself. This means that you have the ability to tap into different versions of yourself to help you overcome challenges, achieve your goals, and become the person you want to be. If you want to become more confident, you can tap into a version of yourself that is already confident. Imagine yourself as that version of yourself and focus on the feelings of confidence and empowerment that come with it. This can help you to shift your energy and attract more positive experiences into your life. By tapping into different versions of yourself, you can continue to grow and evolve into the best version of yourself. If you can conceptualize a version of yourself that you wish to be, it must exist somewhere. This idea is rooted in the concept of parallel universes and the idea that every possible outcome of any event or decision exists somewhere in the universe. When you imagine a version of yourself that aligns with your desires, you are essentially tapping into the reality that already exists within the universe. This means that the version of yourself that you want to become already exists somewhere in the universe, and it's up to you to align your energy with that reality. If you want to become a successful author, the reality of a successful author version of yourself already exists somewhere in the universe. By aligning your energy with that reality through visualization and positive affirmations, you can manifest that reality into your current experience. Stop trying to get what you want and instead give it to yourself. Many people believe that they need to struggle and work hard to achieve their desires. However, this belief can actually block the manifestation process by creating resistance and negative energy. Instead of focusing on getting what you want, it's important to focus on giving yourself the feelings and emotions you desire right now. Instead of focusing on the lack of money in your life and trying to figure out how to get more, focus on feeling abundant and grateful for the resources you do have. Your inner world is actually all that exists. The outer world is just a projection of it. This idea is rooted in the principle of manifestation, which states that your external reality is a reflection of your inner reality. Your thoughts and emotions create your reality, so it's important to focus on cultivating positive thoughts and emotions to create a positive reality. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.